All right, in today's lesson, you're going to be learning how to make a table in Microsoft Word. It's actually quite easy. When you're finished, this is what you will have. Look very similar to that. So let's go ahead and get started with a blank word processing screen. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to center our cursor. So remember on your paragraph alignment buttons that we learned a while back. And in all caps, let's go ahead and type the word hardware. We don't need to worry about the no spacing today. Go ahead and enter one time, and you're going to type the physical parts of the computer system. Okay, enter once again. All right, now we're ready to create our table. Now, the key here is we have to know how many cells or blocks or whatever you want to call them are going to be needed and how many rows and columns. So for this particular table, we are going to have 3 columns and 7 rows. And here's how we're going to do this. We're going to go up here to Insert, and you'll see where there's Table right here. Go ahead and click on that. And here is where you will create your columns and rows. So we're going to go over 3 columns, and then we're going to go down 7 rows. So that it'll say, if you look up here, it'll say 3 by 7. And then when it says 3 by 7, you'll go ahead and click. That'll put your table on the screen. Now your headings here are going to be centered. We've got input, output, storage. And we're going to go ahead also, we can highlight these all at once and make them bold. Let's also make our title up here bold. All right, now for the rest of the information though, let's go ahead and highlight and get our cursor back and make it align left. Okay, so that we will start to put in the different components to our table. Okay, so when you're finished, this is what it'll look like. And as you can see, we're centered on the heading, but here we're going to be left aligned, so make sure you do that. Down here, you're going to put the source, and you can just put your name right here. Okay, I would put Mr. Huebner. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You're going to go ahead and save it, and you're going to just name it Hardware Table, and go ahead and submit it. And that's really all there is to this. Okay.